Hey there, Heretic. I'm Rishi Kular, Head of Product, and today I'm going to walk you through creating regular expressions in the Heretic Viewer. Your first step is to click the Search button in the Heretic Viewer's toolbar. Next, you'll want to make sure that on the far right of the search bar, you have Regular Expression Search toggled on. Finally, I either need to write out my regular expression or copy and paste it into the search bar. In this case, I'm going to head over to the Heretic Help Center's Regular Expression Library, an ever-evolving list of regular expressions for you to use on projects. In this case, I'm going to copy the consent regular expression, which is essentially great at finding all instances of consent so that I can catalog my obligations. Heading back into the Heretic Viewer, I can paste in my regular expression, and I can see that I'm getting one result. It's also nice that we're providing some context of words before and after your result, which is highlighted here in orange. Heretic is also letting you know in which section that result is found, in this case the miscellaneous section. And while it's great that I can see how this regular expression will do on this document, and I can even tweak it to get real-time info on how the results change, it would be even better if I could get a sense of how this regex will do across many documents, because it would be short-sighted for me to assess its quality on merely one example. And to that end, I can click the Save button, preview results, select a Save Search, and whether I want to run my regular expression on the first 5, 25, 50, or 100 documents in that Save Search. And after clicking the Next button, I'm presented with a beautiful roll-up of all results. At the top, I have key stats like the number of documents with hits, the number of documents with no hits, average hits per doc, and the max hits across the dataset. I can also see which documents errored. And below these stats, I get a roll-up of the actual results, grouped by document, with information on the section heading as well as the section type, per result found. Now that I can get a better sense of how this regex will do across more documents, I have more confidence in its quality, so I can go ahead and close this preview and proceed with saving. Before doing so, I'll fill out more information like the name, whether it should be case sensitive, a description, whether I want a filter on this regex, and this is for if I only want the regex to hit within certain sections or on certain contract types, whether I want the regex to be visible in the Heretic Viewer in the left pane, and I can also ascribe a color. Finally, I'll click the Save button. And now I'll see that my regex data point is here on the left pane, and I can click it to navigate. I've navigated to a new document here, and we'll see that the consent data point is persisting and showing me additional hits on this document. But the final thing I wanted to show you is how you can use existing regular expressions in the workspace to build completely new ones as if they were building blocks. So I'm going to click the Search button, and now if I simply type the @ symbol, I'll see a list of all regular expressions in the workspace, and I can hover over one to see the pattern. In this case, I'm going to select my state names regular expression. So what I'm trying to do here is build a new regular expression for governing law. But unfortunately with state names, I'll see that I have 218 hits. But I don't care about all state names in the contract or abbreviations of state names. I only care about state names if they follow some governing law type language like governed by or in accordance with the laws of. And so, to that end, I've created a separate regular expression just for those types of phrases. So if I type the @ symbol and look for my governing law phrases, and then simply follow it with the state names, boom, this is exactly what I want, substantive laws of the state of Michigan. And so I can save this, give it a name, and a color, and I'll see that data point persisted on the left pane. So this is creating regular expressions in the Heretic Viewer. Thank you so much for watching.